First, insert the iron bar into the hole and resist the screw. Remove the nut after resisting it. Put the base and pad glue into the screw. Then tighten the nut. Put on the base and the rubber sleeve is completed. Same method on the other side. Open with the key on the side. Put the protective sleeve into the iron bar. The hook is loaded into the iron bar and the bottom is put into the protective cover. Insert the hole under the base. Iron bars are divided into front and back sides. Swing the handle and fix it in the right position. The same method can be done on both sides. Improper door after installation. Complete.